What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, I appreciate you guys staying tuned with us, man. We are almost at 30,000 subscribers, man. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button on this video. And if you really like the video, man, don't hesitate to share it with your friends and let them see what we got going on here, man. But without further ado, it is freaking Friday. It is time to slide. We heading down to LA first, and then from there, we got to go get the part from Antonio, put that on and everything. Then from there, we're going to be riding out to San Diego with Dre and a bunch of the homies. So hopefully everything work out today. Don't have no altercations or nothing like that, man. So hopefully today should be a good day, man. So without further ado, we're going to load this thing up on the truck, go upstairs, take a shower, and hit the road after that, man. So let's get it in real quick now, shall we? Alrighty, man, all loaded up, all strapped up. Straps is good to go. It is time to freaking go upstairs, hop in the shower real quick because my hands and stuff is dirty, and hop back in this thing and we'll be there momentarily. Y'all know what time it is. Freaking about to blow my pockets out with this gas, dog. This thing stay on E. The only time we fill it up literally is when we going on a trip. So we're on our way to the city, man. Again, about to go to Antonio's first, pick up this this bottom piece, switch that out, and then we should be hopping on the road. But this will be a fun little ride today, man. Hoping so, at least. So man, we just got down to the freaking bottom of the hill, and it's freaking pouring down. It was just foggy as heck the whole way, like coming down the hill rather. As soon as we got to the bottom of the hill, it started pouring down rain. You can barely see, but we gonna get to our destination safe. But let's hope this rain passed by, man, so we can ride today. That would suck if it just rained all day, but hopefully it don't last that long, man. We'll see what's up though. Man, and we are back at the gas station. Like, I just put $90 in this junk. I don't know if the gas getting more expensive or this thing just sucking more gas. I think it's time for a little electric car or something, man, because this gas is getting out of hand. I ain't gonna even hold you. But we almost there, man. And then while we wait for our gas, I guess I'll show you guys this Corbin seat. It's not ours. Let me just say that right away. It is not mine. My buddy with the gray bike. If you guys been tuning into Dre's channel, you guys seen that Nardo gray bike. This is for that bike. Now, his bike was supposed to come out this weekend, but he wants to do a couple extra things. So he says I can use it because it has the backrest as we ride to San Diego. So that's what I'm gonna do. Possibly if it fits on my bike, but we'll just have to see about that. But let's get on get. Just got to the city and it's looking like it's bright skies and blue shines, man. So we're gonna offload this bike real quick and get this day started, man. I can't even wait. Bro about to get his pulled out. You know how it's gonna go, but let's offload this joint real quick. Just pulled up to Tonio's. Let's see if this piece is how we need it to be, dog. Just like that. Got a new piece back. Good to go. Let's go put this thing on, dog. All right, man, we made it back to the homie crib. Now this is the bottom piece we are switching out. Just gonna take the bags off, sit them to the side, and then we'll be able to get to the bolts a little bit easier. just like that, we got that third brake light back. Now it could be pushed up a little bit, but I don't know if that's just a fender like that. Feel like I want to go right back to Antonio and just get this little get some little cover up for that, just so it won't be as noticeable. But I mean, it's on there now, so looking better than it was yesterday. I'm digging it. What y'all think though, man? Let your boy know in the comments below, dog. Not that noticeable on the fender, but I'm definitely gonna know it's there, so I don't know, we'll see. Now that we got that backlight on, we can try to mount this seat up really quick and see if it'll work on there, because this is from like a 13 Road Glide, I believe. So oh yeah, that thing fitted right on. I ain't gonna lie, this is not my seat, this the homie seat, but man, after this thing fitted on there like that, man, hey, if you watching this, man, I might need this seat now, big dog. Oh no, it reminds me of my freaking, a little bit more of my CVO now. But we'll have to see, man. We'll have to see. It's definitely looking good though. Got the double seater on there, the flames and the Corbin. Digging it. That's crazy. That backrest actually make it look way better. Way better. I'm digging it. Now that we got that bottom piece on, it actually looks that much more fuller. I am digging it, man. I would clean it up, but it's freaking windy as heck. As soon as I clean it up, it's gonna be dirty and dusty again. I might knock these little water spots off though, but I'm not gonna go into too much detail, man, because we got a cool little ride. Hoping we can get done today. If not, in the morning we'll be linking up with everybody and going, but let's see what today holds. All right, man, we done made it back to the freaking backyard. The homie be doing so much, man. Y'all know, y'all leave him with some tools, man, and a little bit of time, man. He bound to find something that ain't done and freaking figure it out to do, man. So look like we got some speakers or something going up in this show, man. Some tunes and grooves. That's what I'm gonna call it. Some tunes and grooves in this thing, man. So look like bro setting it up, drilling it out right now, so we can get that perfect sound. But y'all already know how it go, man. This what they usually pay like people like $2,500, etc. to do. You know, you can do that, or you can come over here and get it done.
We're gonna figure it out.
Definitely gonna figure it out. But we gonna tune back to y'all in a hot sec, man. Just like that, y'all see what's going on, man. Speakers is pretty much ready to go in. All that plastic and stuff, but look how perfect it look. Now you just mount them up from the other side and wire them Jones up, pretty much. But yeah, man, we're gonna get the other bag done, but you guys already see how pretty much it's done, so we'll speed this up. And I know y'all don't got this in y'all block, man. We ain't even got this on my block. Big ice cream truck.
$2? Can I get that?
See what they got over here, man. What I want. So much to choose from. What's up, guys? Next day here, man. We ended up freaking bro was messing with his music like all night, but it did sound pretty good, so that's done. Further ado, it's the next morning here, man. Got the wrap in the back. Pretty much about to head to SD early this morning. We came down to the city, linked up with the homie. We got our piece from Antonio, threw that on there, so it is looking a little bit better, man. So you guys gotta let me know what you think about that. But I think I'm gonna just have to start another video, because I don't want this going for too long. It's just because I know if we slide today, the video is going to be freaking crazy. So besides that, literally all the good stuff is going to be happening today, and we scored another Copart win. So Hey, that's a plus too, man. I can't wait to go check that out, man. So be sure to stay tuned for that video, man. Y'all don't want to miss that. But in the meantime, man, I'm about to get this day started and I'll have to catch y'all tomorrow, dog. Peace.